Damn.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa. This ain't what you want.
Project,
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Ha. 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna. I just wanna rock. Body yada yada. Shorty got that body yada yada. Hit it once, no time. Set up, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa. This ain't what you want.
Project,
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Happy birthday, Deon.
Happy 14th birthday.
We love you so much. You have brought so much joy and happiness to our lives.
And just keep being a good kid, man. When you first came here, you know, you had a lot of problems, but now, man, oh, wow, you have changed so much. So whatever you do, man, just keep doing what you're doing, keep changing, keep growing, and making Deon a better Deon.
We love you so much and enjoy your party.
Happy birthday, young
Happy
man.
birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Deon. You were the first kid that I ever did mentoring for. And to admit, I was kind of nervous. But you were a great kid, man. You made it easy for me. And you're such a great guy. And I just think that it's just a blessing to be around you, man. You give off good energy. And just want you to know I love you. And I wish you a very, very happy birthday, man. And, you know, if you ever need me, I'm a phone call away. And keep doing what you're doing, man. You're going to go far in life because you're a great kid. Love you again, and happy birthday to you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mrs. Buchanan, Deon's teacher. Hey, Deon, today is the day that you were born to be an inspiration to the people around you. So be happy, and happy birthday.
Happy 14th birthday, Deon. This is from Auntie and Guy. I want to wish you a happy, happy birthday and many, many more. And I'm so glad you're my nephew. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Deon, it's Miss B. Happy birthday. Hope you have the best. Woo!
Happy birthday, young man. You've been on this earth 188 months. 5,110 days, 640 hours. And for that, congratulations.
Happy 14th birthday, baby brother. I love you so much, and I miss you dearly. I hope you enjoy your day, and I hope to see you soon. Mwah. Love you much.
Hey, DJ. Your grandma Sheila want to talk to you. Here she go. Hello, Mom.
Hey. Happy birthday, grandson. I miss you. Wish you were here. Now I have Josiah want to say something.
Happy birthday, DJ.
Happy birthday, DJ.
Hi, DJ. It's us. It's me, your mom, and who are you?
Peggy.
Your little sister. We just wanted to wish you a happy 14th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Badu.
Sorry we're not there, but you know what I say, son. It is what it is, baby. You enjoy, and hopefully we could spend your 15th together. So we want to tell you we love you and we hope to see you soon.
I love you, DJ.
Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.